In our previous episodes, we delved deep into the fascinating progress of standard gauge railways across Eastern Africa. We uncovered the transformative changes in each country's railway systems. These explorations have provided us with invaluable insights into the unique strides in rail transport across the eastern central coast of Africa. But the story doesn't end there. Every section of the railway we have examined is a crucial piece of a much larger puzzle, the visionary East Africa Railways Master Plan. Conceived in 2009, this master plan represents an ambitious trans-regional railway network designed to significantly reduce transit times and lower costs for regional trade. In this 19th episode, we are going to reveal the grand design behind it all, the East African Railways Master Plan. We will uncover the motivations behind the master plan and the actual map of the master plan which links 8 Eastern African nations. Get ready to dive with us in these bold ambitions, intricate connections, and unified goals driving this monumental plan to reshape transport and connectivity across Eastern Africa. New here? Hit the subscribe button and never miss out on the upcoming episodes. To truly understand the motivations of the East Africa Railways Master Plan, we must take a couple of steps back in something called the past. Following East African Summit of 2004, a new directive was given for the railways in the East Africa. In 2007, CSCP Transcom International Limited of Canada was contracted by the leaders of the East African community to develop the East Africa Railway Master Plan. The objectives of this assignment were as follows. Evaluate the current and potential demand for railway infrastructure and services. Assess the existing railway capacity and identify necessary improvements. Propose a strategic railway development plan accompanied by actionable steps. Develop an organizational structure suited for the effective implementation of the master plan. The final report was delivered in 2009 and included an action plan spanning from 2007 to 2030. Let us examine the 3 most critical studies outlined in the report: traffic, technical, and financial studies. The results of the traffic study demonstrated that port-to-railway traffic had gradually declined between 1980 and 2007 for Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and the Tanzania-Zambia railways. This decline was attributed to a shortage of motive power and commercial challenges. The report suggested that resolving these issues could increase traffic by an average of 5% annually, as reflected in the forecasted traffic and revenue for Tazara. The results of the technical study highlighted the limitations of the existing railway system in 2007, such as low train speeds, temporary speed restrictions, limited axle load capacity, and inadequate train control and telecommunication systems. To address these issues, the report recommended converting the existing railways to a standard gauge railway and ensuring all new sections were developed accordingly. The results of the financial study have been critical in the funding of the master plan. 6 practical principles were outlined to guide the financing of the plan. These principles include public-private partnership, leveraging competitive advantages, engaging development partners, promoting local ownership, adopting a market-driven approach, and ensuring complementarity with existing modes of transport. These principles are designed to secure the long-term sustainability of the master plan. The map of master plan released in the report of 2009 has seen a wide range of modifications. Here, we provide an update map of the East Africa Railway Master Plan. The proposed East African Railway Master Plan aims to connect 8 countries in Eastern Africa: Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. 2 additional countries are expected to connect to East African Railway. These countries are Ethiopia and Zambia. The master plan features two main corridors, the Northern Corridor and the Central Corridor. It also includes two minor corridors, the LAPSSET Corridor and the Tazara. The Northern Corridor links Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, South Sudan, the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Ethiopia. It starts at the ports of Mombasa on the Indian Ocean and extends to Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. This corridor extends from Nairobi to Kampala, the capital of Uganda. From Uganda, there are three extensions. The first extension is from Malaba, near the Kenya-Uganda border, to Juba in South Sudan via Gulu and Nimule. The second extension is from Kampala to Kigali, the capital of Rwanda, via Kabale. The last extension is Kampala in Uganda to Kisangani in the Democratic Republic of the Congo via Kasizi. The Central Corridor connects Tanzania to Burundi, Rwanda and Democratic Republic of the Congo. It starts at the port of Dar es Salaam to Tabora in Tanzania via Morogoro, Dodoma and Makutopara. At Tabora, two extensions diverge. One goes to Kigoma at Lake Tanganyika via Uvinza. From Uvinza, there is an extension to Burundi and the DRC, passing through Musongati, Gitega, Uvinza, and finally reaching Kindu. The second branch runs from Tabora to Mwanza via Isaka. From Mwanza, a ferry connects to Kampala across Lake Victoria. Additionally, from Isaka, the railway continues to Kigali in Rwanda via Keza and Rusumo. Kigali serves as a central hub, linking the northern and central corridors. Extensions from Kigali to Goma in the Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo is expected. Additional extension connecting Rwanda and Burundi is expected at the Keza intersection. The LAPSSET corridor comprises two sections. The first section connects Lamu Port on the Indian Ocean to Juba in South Sudan via Garissa, Isiolo, and Nakadok. The second section links Nairobi, Kenya's capital, to Addis Ababa, capital of Ethiopia via Isiolo and Moyale. Finally, Tazara line connects Tanzania to Zambia. It starts at Dar es Salaam and passes through cities such as Morogoro, Mbeya, at the border between Tanzania and Zambia, and finally reaching Kaperimposhi in Zambia. Indeed, the East Africa Railways Master Plan is a vast and ambitious undertaking. Significant progress has been made in completing sections, constructing new ones, and securing funding for future developments. For instance, the Northern Corridor has seen the completion of the Mombasa-Nairobi-Naivasha section, while the Naivasha-Malaba-Kampala segment is currently under construction. The Central Corridor is advancing at an impressive pace, with numerous sections completed and ongoing construction of the Tanzania Standard Gauge Railway. Additionally, the Uvinza-Gitega section has secured funding and construction planning is underway. Tazara has also received funding during the recent Africa-China Summit, further boosting its development. As of 2025, the East Africa Railway Master Plan has gained momentum, and there is optimism that more funding will be secured to realize its full potential. Thank you for staying with us. If you are new to our channel, hit subscribe and never miss out on our amazing content.